Hi everyone, welcome to Birdseye. In this video, I will tell you more about what is Birdseye and how to use it. So if you click on your profile page, you'll be able to see what are the different documents that you have shared, if it is approved or if it is still pending approval. You can subscribe to tags so that in the future, if there's any documents that are being associated with a certain tags that are being posted, you'll be notified. You can upload file. So if you have something valuable in Asian studies, history, culture, religious stuff, you can feel free to upload them here. PDF, images, we accept both of them. If there's text in your PDF or image, you can choose the appropriate language in there. We will be able to perform some algorithm behind the scene to extract useful characters from the image or the PDF to help us. You can drag and drop a certain text that is associated with your document and press submit when you are ready to upload them. Now, what is interesting about Birdseye is that, for example, you have a lot of posts on the front page and you manage to narrow it down to maybe the two different posts that you're interested in. Assuming both of the PDF in each post around like 50 to 100 pages, and you don't have a lot of time to read through all of them, or you are worried that the PDF might not be suitable to your research. So what you can do right now, this is an easy example. There are only 3 pages that is being translated by me on one of the Buddhist Sutra. And if you're lazy to read it, or if you don't have enough time, you can just click on the chat button. And in this modern era, when we talk about chat, it's usually ChatGPT. And I'm using GPT-4 Turbo in Birdseye, and it's being trained by the Birdseye database so that you can ask questions related to the post. Now, you can ask something like, please summarize this document for me. Oh, it depends on the length of the PDF. Sometimes it'll be faster if it is shorter, but if it is like longer, it will take some time. But as long as you wait for the response, it should be good enough. So it tells you that the document appears to be a translation of an excerpt from the Avatamsaka Sutra in Mahayana Buddhism. And it tells you about the journey of the boy of excellent wealth, tells you he met the girl of compassionate practice, and tells you about what is the teaching metaphor and the spiritual journey that he is about to undertake. You can, besides English, you can ask it in maybe Mandarin or some other languages. So let's try simplified Mandarin. So we can type in 谁是 boy of excellent wealth. I think I accidentally pressed enter before I finished my whole sentence. So we will wait for it. Well, I think the name is not entirely correct, but other than that, it gives you a pretty good explanation on who he is, and it also works with other languages such as Japanese. So I can say, so I will ask ChatGPT boy of excellent wealth wa dare desu ka? Kare wa doko e ikimashita ka? Which means, who is he? Where did he go? And then let's see if ChatGPT is able to answer us in Japanese. And yep, it's able to reply you in Japanese and telling you who is he, where did he went, what did he do, what was the practice. So compassionate, and then meditation, intelligence. What if I do it in Pinyin? Like sometimes when we are searching for Chinese PDF, we might not want to type it out. We want to use Pinyin. You can say boy of excellent wealth 是谁？他去了哪里？他做了什么？ Hopefully, ChatGPT is able to recognize it and understand the Pinyin. If it is. So I gave ChatGPT Pinyin and it replied me in Chinese, which is good. And the last one that I'll be trying would be a Southeast Asian language, a Malay language, which is my national language. I would say siapakah boy of excellent health? Apakah yang telah dilakukan oleh beliau? Which means, who is boy of excellent wealth and what did he do? So ChatGPT replied me in Malay and it listed out what did the boy of excellent wealth did, where did he go to, what did he did in specifically, what happens after he entered the palace and all those stuff, which is something that was mentioned in my paper. So in conclusion, ChatGPT in Birdseye is a way to help you summarize and learn more about the PDF, and you can interact with GPT on those documents. So I hope you all will be able to enjoy Birdseye and have fun researching